Good morning, Matt and Katie. We'll do another walkthrough and quick update as to what's going on out here at College Farm. I'm in the cul-de-sac. I'm just going to take a look around. This is the end of the cul-de-sac. We've got homes on the cul-de-sac locations up and around. Of course, that's lot 47 beside you. Lot 46, looks like we're doing some trim work in there this morning. So overall, this whole little section down here is pretty much built out, and all should be about ready to close or construction done about the time that you guys are ready. So let's kind of walk up through the house here. You see right now we've got some trim work going on in here this morning, but so we might have a little music in here as well. Okay, that's the office there, sheetrock hung. All working pretty hard there. Cabinets are hung, waiting for granite. Look out the back door here. Okay. And we'll just kind of go upstairs, see what's happening up there. Like I said, this is accompanied by a little music, but all good. All right, we got a gentleman right here that's putting in some railing. Okay, this is the primary. Stuff going on in here. They're putting up the closet stuff in there. The loft. This bedroom door. Bedroom. All right, I think we're about done. Head back downstairs. Okay, there you go.